Hey guys, in this video I got 3 iPhones right here. Well, here's the listing of it. It contains a iPhone XR, 6s Plus and a 5s. Well, apparently it does turn on, but yeah, they are password locked, and the XR is a broken back glass. I did check the IMEI of the 5s and it is from my iPhone off, so hopefully that's true. Let's see if I get ripped off. So yeah, let's unbox it and see what I got. It's a thick bubble wrap. Oh yeah, there they are. Let's see if they turn on. This one's dead. And wow, here's the reason why I bought the lot in the first place. I think it's dead too. I mean, the back is cracked. Oh wow, look at condition of it. That's pretty corroded. So let's charge them out and let's see if they turn on. I mean, it does charge. Oh, I just realized there's a small chip. Yeah, there's a small chip on the top. Come on, focus. Yeah, look at that. And the screen had defects too. So that's unfortunate. What about the 6s Plus? Oh, it does charge too. So let's wait for them to charge up, I guess. Alright, so got them charged. And wow, this one doesn't have a passcode, and it's running 10.2.1 and it's a 64GB model, which is very nice. And wow, I just checked the serial and they are all from my iPhone off, and this one's a 128, this one's a 64. So yeah, I really got lucky, I have to be honest. Well, I mean, the XI is in pretty bad condition, but I think I can just get a new housing and screen for it. So let's restore it and test them out.
on, but was practical. Today, there is an added cost to equip Apple's monitors with a height adjustable stand, an extra $600 Australian for a studio display, or $1,700 for the Pro display. I think I'll keep my 15-year-old.
Alright, so I finally restored them, and yeah, they work properly. Well, this one has a dead battery and I somehow damaged its screen while removing a screen protector. But I think it's healing by itself, so should be fine. This 6S has a broken rear camera because of water damage, I think. And yeah, the screen is water damage. Hopefully I can replace its backlight. It's a original screen after all. But yeah, it's a 64GB 6S Plus, and this one's a 64GB iPhone 5S. So yeah, quite good. And lastly, I got this iPhone XR 128GB. Well, the screen's obviously broken. Well, it is still usable, kind of, but it's in pretty bad condition. But yeah, I actually think I got really lucky with this slot. They all found my iPhone off, and yeah, they only need minor repairs. Oh, well, this one's dead. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.